Hail to the Lord's anointed, great David's greater Son. Hail in the time appointed, his reign on earth begun. He comes to break oppression, to set the captive free, to take away transgression and rule in equity. He comes with succor speedy to those who suffer wrong, to help the poor and needy, and bid the weak be strong, to give them songs for sighing, their darkness turned to light, whose souls condemned and dying were precious in his sight. He shall come down like showers upon the fruitful earth, and love, joy, hope like flowers spring in his path to birth. Before him on the mountain shall peace the herald go, and righteousness in fountains from hill and valley flow. Kings shall bow down before him, and gold and incense bring. All nations shall adore him, his praise all people sing. To him shall